Today, let's take a look at one of the toughest challenges in process piping, chlorine gas, and how moisture contamination leads to premature valve failure. Chlorine is one of the top 20 most produced industrial chemicals in the world. Chlorine handling systems are very sophisticated, however, with a critical step that chlorine gas must be dried in preparation for being handled. If it's left wet, chlorine can quickly destroy valves, piping, and instrumentation, especially carbon steel. Dry chlorine is defined as having less than 150 parts per million of water content. In comparison, that's like seeing only 12 people sitting in an 80,000 seat stadium. But even a tiny amount of moisture contamination can cause dendrites to form, which are troublesome, microscopic, crystal-like structures that grow on valve internals and act like sandpaper. Dendrites erode sealing surfaces, bind sliding parts, and can even freeze valves in place. Traditionally, Monel has been the standard material choice for chlorine service, but research and field collaboration has shown that a better solution is to use Hastelloy C for disc and stem and CF8M stainless steel for valve bodies. Together, these materials resist moisture-induced corrosion while maintaining cost-effectiveness and strength. Design features like live-loaded double packing with monitoring ports, Hastelloy packing glands, and impurity-tolerant seats also help to ensure a longer service life. The takeaway: in chlorine service, the difference between long-term performance and premature failure often comes down to just a mere traces of moisture. To learn more about specifying valves for chlorine service or to evaluate your current setup, contact us by phone or email. Thanks for watching.